So welcome everyone to the last performance by for this event. As we said, we will start from Antara, from the middle of song, and then by the time we go to the Mukhuda, to the beginning of song, you have to guess which song it is. And if you are able to do that, write it in the chat, Zoom chat, and we will give a shout out. The first person who is going to say that, who is going to write it, we are going to get this feedback from Ashwini and Swati, who is guessing it right, and we will shout out. So let's begin. इतनी मोहब्बत सह ना सकूंगा, सच मानो जिंदा रह ना सकूंगा,
तुझको संभालूं ये मेरा जिम्मा, मैं हूँ तो क्या है जाने तमन्ना,
अब जीना मरना मेरा जन्म तेरे हाथ है,
मैंने कहा ना सनम, अब तू मेरे साथ है,
तो फिर संभाल के मैं चला जाना कहाँ, आ दिल में आ साथिया, तूने क्या किया बेलिया, ये तूने क्या किया, मैंने किया तेरा इंतजार, इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार, इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार. Good. So we have the winner,
Yes, it's Prashant Joshi. And
Prashant Joshi. Good one. You guessed it right. The first one to guess.
So others have to be quick on.
Others have to be quick now. I mean, it's a. अभी तो महफिल जमी है, ठीक है? So this was from I think 80s, this song, but now we are going back. Okay, so we will go back and forth between the years when the song was recorded first. Now we are going in 60s, and this song was sung by
SPB.
Rafi. Now the next song, and of course, if it is Rafi, then
To be Shami. Of
it
course,
has,
Shami.
it has to be Shami.
Yeah.
तो शुरू करें? शुरू करें?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
बिल्कुल
हाँ जी.
हाँ जी.
हाँ जी हाँ, और भी होंगे दिलदार यहाँ, लाखों दिलों की है बहार यहाँ, पर ये बात कहाँ. हाँ जी हाँ, और भी होंगे दिलदार यहाँ, लाखों दिलों की है बहार यहाँ, पर ये बात कहाँ. ये बेमिसाल हुस्न लाजवाब ये अदा ताले हो, ताले हो. बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल. ताले हो, ताले हो, ताले हो. Good. Any name?
Ketaki Kulkarni.
Ketki Kulkarni. Good. That was right. Ketki. So Prashant, Ketki ने हरा दिया इस बार. We get to the next song now. So it's fun now. I mean अभी तो शुरू हुआ picture हमारा. Now anything you want to say, Balaji, about this song?
Yeah, this is a very known song, a song that a lot of people like and hum.
Okay.
So let's see how many people actually guess the song now.
which era is it from?
Okay. And I can give one more hint. I think
Okay.
the first performance, Erwin has played this song. Okay.
Oh,
So Erwin, you should know this now. Okay. We are going to start now. 3, 2, 1, start.
क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह जल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं यार। वो नहीं सुनता उसको जल जाना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है।
Any winners? Any winners? Good.
Very important.
So we have Dilip, the winner.
One each. Prashant, Ketan.
Okay, Prashant, Ketki, Dilip, and
One each. 1 point each.
so now just walk up. 1, 2. अरे माना उसको नहीं मैं पहचानता, बंदा उसका पता भी नहीं जानता। माना उसको नहीं मैं पहचानता, बंदा उसका पता भी नहीं जानता। मिलना लिखा है तो आएगा, खड़े हैं हम भी राहों में। ये दिल
न होता बेचारा कदम, न होते आवारा, जो खूबसूरत कोई अपना हम सफर होता। ओ ये दिल न होता बेचारा कदम, न होते आवारा, जो खूबसूरत कोई अपना हम सफर होता।
That's good.
Yes. And we have a new entry on the scoreboard.
Okay.
It's Jeet.
It's Jeet.
Yes.
Okay. So Jeet, you got it, and the scoreboard is level. I mean, one for
One
for
for
each.
all.
Okay.
Yes.
Now guess this. I think the 90s kids will remember this song very well.
Absolutely.
This song was, the movie was not a big hit, but the song became a biggest hit of those times and was sung
Sonu
by.
Nigam, right?
Sonu Nigam.
Sonu Nigam, yeah.
Okay.
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
Yes. Picturized.
मेरी बेकरारी को हद से बढ़ाना तुम्हें खूब आता है, बातें बनाना, निगाहें मिला के मेरा चैन लेना, सता के मोहब्बत में यूं दर्द देना, मुझे देख के ऐसे पल के झुकाना। शरारत नहीं है तो फिर और क्या है। मुझे रात दिन बस मुझे चाहती हो, कहो ना कहो मुझको सब कुछ पता है। करूँगा मुझे तुम बताती नहीं हो, छुपाती हो मुझसे ये तुम्हारी खता है। मुझे रात दिन बस मुझे चाहती हो। ला ला ला। Wow, that's good.
Yes. The winner is Ojas.
Ojas, good one, Ojas. Again, the score is 1-1, and
There are new entries every new song.
yeah,
Yes. This is going great.
it is going great. Okay, we have good feedback. At least
Yes.
we have audience here live. We can't see you, but we will see you later.
अच्छा ओजस बोल रहा है साइली ने बोला है.
Okay.
So actually it is Saili.
So just is saying it's not him, it's Saili, his wife. Okay. So now guess this. Guess what? I mean, we have a superstar in this movie. The next song.
We are superstars in this song.
Stars in this movie, yeah.
Yeah.
Stars.
And अभी हमने इसको ये किया है, डिसाइड किया है इस गाने को गाने का गाना. So we'll start. It's one of the greatest hits.
But I think it's going to be an easy one. We'll have lots of winners here.
Okay.
Yes, let's see.
Let's see.
अभी अभी इसी जगह पे एक लड़की देखी है, अरे देखी है, अजी देखी है. अभी अभी इसी जगह पे एक लड़की देखी है, जो मुझे इशारे करती है, पर किसी से शायद डरती है, अरे डरती है, हाँ डरती है. प्यार करेगी क्या डरने वाली, तेरी बनेगी कोई हिम्मत वाली. ओ जिस मेरी याद आए जब चाहे चली आए, जिस मेरी याद आए जब चाहे चली आए. रूपमल प्रेम गली बोली नंबर 420. Excuse me please, my name is Anthony Gonzalez. मैं दुनिया में अकेला हूँ, दिल भी है खाली, घर भी है खाली, इसमें रहेगी कोई किस्मत वाली. और जिसे मेरी याद आए जब चाहे चली आए, जिसे मेरी याद आए जब चाहे चली आए. रूपमल प्रेम गली गोली नंबर 420. Excuse me please.
Wow.
Wow. Okay.
The winner is Rafael Samuel.
Rafael Simon.
Rafael Samuel.
Samuel.
Samuel. Sorry for that, Rafael. You got it right. And still we are one each, and we have
Yes.
noted as well. So we'll see who will get the most. But abhi we score 1-1.
There's still lots to go.
Lot to go, yeah. Okay, इस मूवी के बारे में, the next song के बारे में कुछ बोलना है? Chocolate Boy. I think this song is
Evergreen Hero.
Evergreen Hero. Yeah,
Which
वो नाम दिया था.
Chalo.
Maybe the time 60s.
Yeah, maybe 60s. or
Okay.
so. Yeah.
Good.
प्यार करने वाले अरे प्यार ही करेंगे, जलने वाले चाहे जल जल मरेंगे. अरे प्यार करने वाले अरे प्यार ही करेंगे, जलने वाले चाहे जल जल मरेंगे. मिलके जो धड़के हैं वो दिल हरदम ये कहेंगे, कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन. गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है. कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन. कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन. गाता रहे मेरा दिल.
What's a good one, Aditya? And Bala.
Thank you.
We have name?
Somebody has taken a lead now,
Okay.
Oh wow.
and the lead is Rafael Samuel.
Oh, wow.
Wow,
Nice.
Rafael. So you are leading now, which is good. And the guys,
You need to catch
you
up.
need to catch up. You need to catch up
Yes.
now. Okay, so about the next song. This is from Mukesh. That's what I know. I mean, anything else you want to add?
I think
That's a good hint.
yeah,
That's
good.
enough?
Yeah.
Okay. छोटी बातें, छोटी छोटी बातों की है यादें बनी, भूले नहीं बीती हुई एक छोटी घड़ी. छोटी बातें, छोटी बातें की है यादें बनी, भूले नहीं बीती हुई एक छोटी घड़ी. से आंखें बिछाए तेरे लिए दिन राहों में, मैंने तेरे लिए
मैंने तेरे लिए ही 7 रंग के सपने चुने, सपने सुरीले सपने, सुरीले सपने.
Wow, good one, Anup.
The winner is Mrunal Bhatt.
Mrunal Bhatt, good one. So you got 1 point. Mrunal, this is first point for Mrunal, right? Okay. So still Rafael is leading.
I think the game's just heating up and people are now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So the next song. Again,
Is this the 90s or?
it's 2000, early
Oh, okay.
2000, and sung by Kumar Sanu for Amir Khan.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah.
You can-
That's
I think we
good,
have
good enough
lots
to.
of Kumar Sanu fans here.
Yeah.
I'm sure they will get it.
मैंने तो ये जाना ना होता है क्या इंतजार,
मेरा दिल क्यों माने ना, मुझको तो हो गया है प्यार. मैं चैन से पहले रातों को सोती थी, तूने मेरी नींदें लूटी. मैं चैन से पहले रातों को सोती थी, तूने मेरी नींदें लूटी. ये योग क्या तूने लगाया, दीवानापन कैसा जगाया. जादू है तेरा ही जादू जो मेरे दिल पे छाने लगा. दीवाने मेरे ये तो पता क्या किया तूने, मीठा सा दर्द होने लगा. ये क्या हुआ पहले ना ऐसा होता था, मैं हूँ कहाँ मैं जानू ना. ये क्या हुआ पहले ना ऐसा होता था, मैं हूँ कहाँ मैं जानू ना. कोई मुझे इतना बता दे, घर का मेरे मुझको बता दे.
Wow. So
The- Now this point is scored by actually Rafael Nadal. Dilip also guessed, but it was a wrong guess.
okay.
Rafael Samuel.
So Ashwini said it's Rafael Nadal, but then it's Rafael Samuel. So Rafael, you got 3 points, and Dilip guessed, but he guessed it wrong. What did he guess, by the way?
आँखों से तूने ये क्या
Oh.
किया?
Yeah,
Oh.
that was good one. Even we
Yeah,
should have
that
sung
was
that.
close.
It was
Yeah.
close one.
Yeah, we should sing that as well later.
So people have got a lot to get on.
So
with
Rafael 3,
now.
all 1,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, guys, everybody.
Catch
has
up,
to-
guys.
We haven't got many songs now, so people need to catch up.
Yeah. The next one. Do you want to say something, Aditya?
Is that
About this is from the 2000 again, right?
Yeah, 2000. It's from the biggest clue we can give is Abhijit.
Abhijit, yeah,
Okay, so
of course.
Combination, Abhijit
And
and
The
and
the best
let's
combination.
say.
yeah, let's
No, let's let
No,
them.
come on.
It's too
Okay.
revealing.
Come on, sing it, boss, sing it.
मैं तितलियों के पीछे भागूं, मैं जुगनों के पीछे जाऊं. ये रंग है वो रोशनी है, तुम्हारे पास दोनों लाऊं. जितनी खुशबुएं बाग में मिले, जितनी खुशबुएं बाग में मिले, मैं लाऊं वहाँ पे कि तुमको जहाँ जहाँ एक पल तेरे मैं गुलसिता बनाऊं. अगर तुम कहो मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं. अगर तुम कहो तुमको बुलाऊं कि पल
guessed by Harshad Pathak, but maybe we can combine Harshad and Ketaki.
Okay.
हाँ, तो उनको मिलता है 2 points.
Oh,
Okay, but they are the same logins or they are different logins?
Different logins.
So we'll give one each. They joined separately, so let them give separate
yeah.
points. Sorry, Keith. Okay. So again, all 1, Rafael 3. So
Ketki
the
is
next.
on 2 if I'm not wrong. Ketki is on 2.
Keith is on 2. Are you?
No, Ketaki
No,
is on
everyone.
one.
Okay.
Combined they are at 2.
Okay.
No, baby.
Alright.
Okay, तुमको फरमाइशें भी आ रही है.
Okay.
अरिजीत song है क्या कोई?
Oh.
Maybe.
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
Maybe. Let's see.
Let's see.
If we have time, guys, we will do that. So the next song is from the
मुझे
great
नहीं पता है.
Lata Mangeshkar,
Legendary.
the legendary Lata Mangeshkar. I mean,
Okay.
so this song was sung by Shankar Mahadevan as a tribute to her in GMA Awards.
I heard that. Yes.
So, and it is very, I mean, it suits this situation right now. So let's sing it.
Yeah, exactly.
तूफान को आना है, आकर चले जाना है, बादल है ये कुछ पल का, छाकर ढल जाना है, परछाइयाँ रह जाती निशानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, तेरी मेरी Beautiful. So, the great Lata Didi.
The new entry on the scoreboard, it's Parag Kotak.
Parag Kotak, you got 1 point. Good one, bro. So, Rafael 3, all others 1.
Yes.
Okay, good one. So, this song, the next song is was filmed on our Miss World. Okay. One of our.
Okay, you remember is that Miss World and I remember is that the great Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan.
Okay.
So yeah.
So, it's Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan's music, right?
And the
Okay.
Miss World.
I remember this song for.
Yeah, okay. The Miss World. Yeah, okay.
Okay. So, let's start.
आँखों में तस्वीर है जैसे तू मेरी तकदीर है जैसे उस दिल से इस दिल तक आती धड़कन की जंजीर है जैसे ख्वाबों ख्वाबों तू मिले न जाने कैसे सिलसिले पलकों पर ये प्यार के न जाने कितने गुल खिले तेरे ख्वाब सजाते रहना अब है मेरा काम तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम मेरी सांसों में बसा है तेरा ही एक नाम तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम
So Prashant Joshi is back.
Prashant Joshi is back now,
Yeah,
so he got 2 points.
2 points, and
Okay, good.
Rafael Samuel is still
Leading.
leading with 3, but it's
Okay.
close.
Rafael Samuel 3 points, Prashant Joshi 2, and all others are 1 point each. Good one, guys. Now the next song we are going back to Shammi. It means we have Rafi. Okay, so Shammi Kapoor Saab, this is for you. And this will be interesting because not everyone knows this song. That's what I think. Maybe
But
I'm
it's very
wrong.
beautiful.
It's a beautiful song. बेसबब उड़ेगी हर सू तेरे बरहन की खुशबू बेसबब उड़ेगी हर सू तेरे बरहन की खुशबू इधर तो आ सवार दूं खुले खुले ये गेसू वफा देती है सदा न जा कहीं अब न जा दिल के सिवा न जा कहीं अब न जा दिल के सिवा है यही दिल कुछ तेरा है मेरे हमदम मेरे दोस्त न जा कहीं अब न जा दिल के सिवा न जा कहीं अब न जा दिल के सिवा दिल के सिवा दिल के सिवा.
Wow.
So this was
So-
very close.
Okay.
The
Was
winner
close.
winner guessed it probably just a second before you
Oh
started
my
singing
God.
Oh my
Mukta.
God.
This-
Okay.
Okay.
And it's the login is Prashant Joshi and family, but it's actually his wife who's guessing, it seems. So
Okay.
it's Dr. Preeti and Prashant Joshi.
So Dr. Preeti and Prashant Joshi, so he guessed it, right? They guessed
She
it.
guessed.
She
They're
guessed it.
guessing it together. I mean.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Prashant Joshi, manna padega. I mean, this is
And Dr. Preeti. Yeah.
and Dr. Preeti. Do we have anyone else who has guessed it right?
Yeah, Rafael Samuel.
Rafael
Oh.
Samuel. Oh.
Just
So now, I mean, see, Rafael is beating you. I mean, you have to be quick now. Okay, so 3 to Prashant, 3 to
Come on,
Rafael,
Rafael.
and all 1. And this was a good guess, guys. Okay. So the next song is, I mean, this movie was a big blockbuster in 2007, and yeah, everyone loved it.
on screen.
On screen, everyone loved that couple on screen,
Absolutely.
and then there
They
were
were quite famous
heartbreaks,
for a.
big heartbreaks later.
Right.
But we'll start singing, people will get it. Be quick. Let's.
It is, yeah.
आँखों में आँखें तेरी, बाहों में बाहें तेरी, मेरा न मुझे कुछ रहा, हुआ क्या?
बातों में बातें तेरी, रातें सौगातें तेरी, क्यों तेरा समय हो गया, हुआ क्या? मैं कहीं भी जाता हूँ, तुमसे ही मिल जाता हूँ, तुमसे ही शोर में खामोशी है, थोड़ी सी बेहोशी है, तुमसे ही ना है पाना, ना खोना ही है, तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है.
Good one, guys.
Score is point is of Ketki.
Ketki, okay. So
Oh,
Ketki
she's
got
got
2
two
points
now.
2
now.
points now.
Okay.
Yes.
So Rafael 3, Prashant 3, Ketki 2, and all others 1. Good one, Ketki. So we'll see the next one. Okay. So the next one is
I
from.
think next one is not need any introduction.
Okay.
I think so.
We can just sing.
Yeah, I think we should.
Really?
I think so.
let's
Yeah.
go for
Let's
it.
go.
मिट जाएंगे मर जाएंगे काम कोई कर जाएंगे मर के भी चैन ना मिले तो जाएंगे यारों कहाँ
मिट जाएंगे मर जाएंगे काम कोई कर जाएंगे मर के भी चैन न मिले तो जाएंगे यारों कहाँ
अयो
देखा न है रे सोचा न है रे रख दी निशाने पे जान कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान देखा न है रे सोचा न है रे रख दी निशाने पे जान कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा मन है बस यही अरमान डले 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 डले
Good one. That's good.
मजा आ गया.
The point is won by Dilip.
Dilip. Okay. So Dilip is 2 now,
Yeah,
right?
Dilip 2, Ketki 2.
Dilip 2, Ketki 2, Rafael 3, Prashant 3. Good one.
Oh.
So that did not need any introduction anyway.
Exactly.
They got
I
it.
think this will be pretty easy to guess.
Uh-huh.
And this does not need an introduction as well.
Yes, I think we'll just sing this song.
बैठे हैं मिलके सब यार अपने सबके दिलों में अरमाए हैं वो जिंदगी में कल क्या बनेगा हर एक नजर का सपना ये है कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा बिजनेस में कोई अपना नाम करेगा मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा ऐसा नाम करेगा मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा
Good one.
सबसे ज्यादा आंसर्स इस सॉन्ग को मिले हैं.
Oh.
So we have got lot
Oh
of
my
response
God.
here.
Lot
How-
of
how many?
response.
How many? Can you count?
How many responses? 1, 2, 3,
More than
4,
10?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Wow,
11,
wow.
12.
Oh,
14.
my God.
So 14 out of 14, who got it first?
Abhishek.
Abhishek. Abhishek.
That's it, Abhishek.
Abhishek. So Abhishek, 1 point for you.
So that probably was the closest to his heart.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah. I remember, I mean, people who are learning guitar as well, right? This is the first song
Yeah.
they learn.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have only a couple of songs left. Or?
Yeah. So I think we have 3 more songs left, guys.
For this evening, yes.
For this evening, of course, and then we will do our own mehfils in coming days. Okay, so we are going back to the first superstar for the Bollywood, for our Indian film, Hindi film industry.
Superstar.
Superstar. This name was given to him the first time. Then we had a lot of superstars, but this was the first one. I think the chords. रात नशीली मस्त समा है आज नशे में सारा जहां है रात नशीली मस्त समा है आज नशे में सारा जहां है हाय शराबी मौसम बहकाए रूप तेरा मस्ताना प्यार मेरा दीवाना भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए point for you, Reshma. You guessed it right. You are sitting far, I guess.
In London.
She's in London. Yeah. Okay, so the next song. Anything from for the next song? Aditya, this is your favorite song.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have to sing it.
Alright.
Okay?
Right, I'll tell you.
I will hold the mic.
I will not know.
I don't think I'll
Okay,
get
you
mine.
don't
Yeah,
need
you don't
This
need.
is a very-
Actually.
Okay. So fine.
दुआ छटा खुला गगन मेरा नई डगर नया सफर मेरा जो बन सके तो हम सफर मेरा नजर मिला जरा दुआ छटा खुला गगन मेरा नई डगर नया सफर मेरा जो बन सके तो हम सफर मेरा नजर मिला जरा अदियों से गुजर रही है राह मेरी अब मशालों से बढ़ रही है राह मेरी नामो निशान रहे ना रहे ये कारवां रहे ना रहे उजाले में पी गया रोशन हुआ जी गया गुजरते रहे रूबरू रोशनी रूबरू रोशनी
वाह आदित्य.
क्या बात है?
Thank you.
We have some for Rubaru. The point goes to Abhishek.
Abhishek, okay.
Yes, so he's now on 2 points.
Abhishek is on 2.
Yeah, but for the previous song, I made a mistake.
Okay.
It's not actually Reshma who guessed it first. It's Prashant and Preeti Zoshi.
Okay.
So,
So
they
they
have,
have-
now 4 points.
Oh.
Okay,
wow.
so I will. So, Prashant, you got 4. Rafael, you got 3.
Now we have Ketki, Dilip Pandit, and Abhishek on 2 each.
Ketki, Dilip, and Abhishek Pandit on 2 each. Rest all are 1,
Yes.
right? Okay. So, guys, this is it. I mean, we have the last song of this evening, and this is
Is
the
this-
song for what we have gathered here. I mean,
Yeah.
Something that has got us and them together now.
Yes.
So,
so this will
Guess karna?
yeah. So
Is this
they
for
can.
guessing or?
Well, we are going to start from the beginning. So if you can guess, type it.
yeah.
Guess the movie.
Guess the movie.
Yeah, that'll be
Yeah.
great.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Guess
this
the movie.
we are going to sing it from the beginning. So guess the movie instead of the song because we are going to sing the song. Okay.
Last one.
The last
Yeah,
one.
Last song for the evening.
So this one is for you all. तुझको फिर से जलवा दिखाना ही होगा, अगले बरस आना ही होगा। तुझको फिर से जलवा दिखाना ही होगा, अगले बरस आना ही होगा। देखेंगे तेरी राहें, प्यासी प्यासी निगाहें तो मान ले तू मान भी ले कहना मेरा, लौट के तुझको आना है, सुन ले कहता दीवाना है। जब तेरा दर्शन पाएंगे चैन तब हमको पाना है। ओ मोरया 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 रे पप्पा मोरया। much. Prashant Joshi and family, and
The winner, I mean, the movie guessed correct. I mean, बऱ्याच लोकांनी guess केला, पण Dawn 2 was guessed only by one
no,
person.
first Dawn. This is Dawn 1.
It is Dawn 2.
It is Dawn 2.
Like the Shah Rukh Khan wala Dawn.
Shahrukh Khan wala Dawn hai.
Ha, so Dawn 2 means Dawn. The title was also Dawn.
Right. So
Correct.
it's Ketki.
So it's Ketki, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is a new
But,
Dawn.
yeah, but it's Preeti and Prashant Joshi who are the winners with 4
Yeah.
points.
So Preeti and Prashant Joshi, congrats! You got 4 points.
Wow.
You won this show, and thank you so much, everyone. This was fun, and first time we did it. I thought we will have some technical issues. So nevertheless, we finished well, I guess. So thank you very much, Madhuri. Over to you.
थैंक यू स्टॉकहोम परिंदे अरे क्या परफॉर्मेंस था यार मेरे तो रोंगटे खड़े हो गए परफॉर्मेंस एंड इतना जोश जल्लोश एंड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज लोगों का रिस्पांस
सही में.
amazing I mean and song selection too good response from excellent and तुम लोगों का जो स्टॉकहोम परिंदों का जो कोऑर्डिनेशन है ना amazing performance
Thank you, Madhuri,
Thank you
and
so
thanks
much.
everyone to you. You conducted it very well, even if we faced some technical issues. But acha, the show moved on really.
Yeah.
And also, I guess, yeah. So we will have the videos. We have it in a recorded form, and we will share it by tomorrow. And for audience, I think you have been wonderful here. Everyone tried to reply, and some won. And Rafal, you missed it by 1 point. So great job there. So thank you very much.